Hello everyone. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to link a bank account to PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to go to PayPal website. Okay, so and after that guys, we need to log in our account using our username of course and our password. Okay, so let me use this one. Okay. So after that guys, after logging in, okay, so all you need to do guys is as you can see here at the top guys, so we have more lot of options here. You just have to go to wallet. Okay, go to your wallet, and after that guys, okay, wallet, and you can see here link a bank and also link a card. So all you need to do guys is you know just click this one, link a bank. Okay, and you need to fill up all the blank spaces here. So once you're done guys, you just have to click this link your bank. So after that guys, you're good to go. So that's it guys, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.